Alright, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to replace your messed up door handles. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna be replacing this passenger door handle. As you guys can see, it's like disgusting, like melting. It's sticky. It's just all bad, honestly. So I think first things first, we're gonna just take off this door handle, this trim piece. Go ahead and do that right now, actually. There we go. All right, guys, so I went ahead and bought the door handle from eBay. It was about $20. It got here in a few days. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. As you can see, it's a lot better. I mean, there's still a little bit of scratches already, but it's a lot better than what's over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Nora over here helping me out. I think that's a T20, if I believe. Yeah, T20. It's a T20, and then you go ahead and just take it out like you're gonna take out the door panels. So now you just have to take off the door panel. It has like these clips. So yeah, anyway, you just take off the door panel. So there's 4 screws that you need to take off with a T20. Then you go ahead and take a flathead and pry it up, and then you just pull the door panel off. Then you'll have what looks like this. Unplug everything. Perfect.
So most times when you unscrew the screws, they're not going to come out, so don't worry about that. When you get the door panel out, the screws should just fall out. So don't try to like pry it out. It'll come out when you get the door panel out.
Hey guys, so the door handle on the back of the door panel is right here. There's 2 spots right here and 2 spots right over here. So essentially what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna plastic, like weld it, not weld it, we're gonna use the plastic welder and melt it off and hopefully pull off the door handle. Guys, so what we have here is like a $10 plastic welder from Harbor Freight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and melt these off and just pull off the door handle, and it should work. Guys, so we waited for it to warm up. We waited about 5 minutes, and I think we're gonna go ahead and try to do it now. All right, guys. So that's from the door handle itself.
That's just me holding on to the door handle.
That's terrible.
I think I'll pull it out now.
All right, let's see. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
As you guys can see, look how disgusting that is. That's just rough.
That's disgusting.
That's rough. So, okay, let's go ahead and get the new one. Right over here. Cool, cool. It looks a lot better. Like 10 times better.
I can vouch for that.
All right, so. Now essentially just plug it back in. Here, let me see if I can put this.
Words. Okay, I see the screw holes. I'm good.
All right, so now, as you guys can see, this is the new one right in there, and I think we're just gonna use a screw with a washer.
Yeah, it's just a lot easier than the plastic. We'll try it out, but it should be just fine. So you got 1 screw hole here, and then you have 2 down there. I'm just gonna go ahead and just remove all the plastic, get it all out of the way. But
so the kit actually came with, I believe, like 3 of these, because there's 3 spots for them on the actual handle. But for some reason, I lost them, which is really stupid. So don't do that. But it should literally just be like a plug and play kind of thing. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna find 2 similar ones with like washers and then put it on there. Alright guys, so essentially we found some random bolts that fit. Like I said, the actual kit comes with all the screws that you need, but I lost them, so don't lose them like I did.
And don't over tighten these things because they are plastics. If you tighten it like
anyway, as you guys can tell, that looks way better. It fits almost perfect.
And what I like, it's not like it doesn't have like this coating. It's actually just plastic.
It's actually just plastic.
So it shouldn't have any issues.
It shouldn't melt ever again, hopefully. And then to put this back on, now all you guys need to do is just put on the door panel and you should be good to go. Forgot that there's actually a screw that goes in here. So if you don't have any of those extra ones, you could probably just screw it in and call it a day. Yeah, and we got 2 screws on the bottom. So we should be good to go. It's not coming anywhere. And then let's go ahead and pop this on. All right guys, so I went ahead and put on this cover right here, and it looks really good compared to the old thing. So, all right, so here's the old one. all sticky and disgusting. And here's the new one in there, and it looks 10 times better. It looks amazing, honestly. And if you wanted to, you could also use the OEM one, but I decided to use the one that came with the kit. Alright guys, so if you want to check out the kit, it will be in the description. Without further ado, see you guys in the next video.